this is our owner's suite. It is our only suite type that has, of course, 2 stories and a full kitchen.
Wow. And how many people will sleep total? Just
So
2?
it is, there's a king bed and a sleeper sofa. So
Okay.
it sleeps 4. I do like to say it's more of like a 1-bedroom apartment.
Okay.
Our Michael Bennett, as I mentioned, who owns the hotel, this originally was just going to be a place for him to stay and then just for us to use as a showroom, but they ended up never staying here, so now we get to sell it.
There you go. Perfect. Full kitchen. Bring in a chef, do some cooking.
Absolutely.
Because I'm sure if you're staying here, you're not cooking.
Exactly. Definitely not. And there is a very large wraparound terrace as well.
So this would be perfect if like you were having a wedding in Charleston.
Absolutely.
And you could even have the rehearsal dinner party here and go out here on the lovely patio. Plenty of seating, have it all catered by the Hotel Bennett.
Absolutely, and we have done that. And
Or corporate meeting parties, cocktail parties, everything. This is the perfect room for something like that. And that's a whole wraparound patio.
Yes.
We have our dining room table, right? This
yes.
is lovely.
And then there is a half bathroom down here as well.
Okay.
And you can enter and exit the room from both the 6th or the 7th floor. So like you said, if you are entertaining in here, you can still have someone stay in the suite and they can have everything on the 7th floor and you don't even have to worry about having anyone enter into your personal space.
That's fabulous. And then I'm assuming this is to the bedroom?
Absolutely, yes.
So here's the upstairs, the penthouse suite. And as Jessica was saying, here's the door you can enter from the hallway instead of coming in from downstairs. If your friends are partying too much, you want to sneak away. Beautiful desk here. And then we have the bedroom. Looking over the park. Fabulous.
You know, you get a little bit of everything from the view in here. You're overlooking the park, the Ravenel Bridge, some of the water. It really is fantastic views up here.
And of course you have your king-size bed. Well, is that nice little bit of spray there?
Yes, that
lavender
is pillow mist, lavender pillow mist.
Yes, to help you sleep. And I love the emblem of the Hotel Bennett on here. Another TV, which is great. And I'm assuming this is the walk-in closet and makeup.
Vanity.
Vanity. You have your complimentary use of robes. Plenty of space. You can pack all your shoes. You can bring all your shoes with you. Cubby hole for all the shoes.
Every pair of shoes.
Every pair you own. Very nice. And then, wow. Here we are in the grand bathroom.
The same beautiful pedestal soaking tub.
Lovely. Lovely tubs. And then sinks on each side, so they're not next to each other. Plenty of space with the sinks, makeup mirrors on both. Of course, the bathroom amenities from the showers, the shampoos, body lotions, mouthwash. They think of it all here. And then the walk-in shower.
Yes.
The rainforest tent as well as a handheld. Lovely. What every woman wishes for, a bathroom like this.
I know. I wish I lived here, honestly.
Fabulous. So this is the penthouse suite.
Yes.
And it will sleep a total of 4 if need be, but mostly for 2.
Yes, yes. So a king bed and then a sleeper sofa downstairs.
Wonderful. All right. Wonderful.